Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Gaurav in Canada. In today's video, I will be discussing about the step-by-step guide on how to register on Switch Health. So basically, once you register on Switch Health, it automatically registers you for your day 1 and your day 10 COVID-19 test. The day 1 test is at the airport once you arrive, and the day 10 test is at the quarantine place. And for that test, you will be getting a self home test kit which you have to take along with yourself, and you have to perform a self test on yourself in day 10, of course under the guidance of a nurse, which will be on a video call with you. And I will be making separately a video on that since I am done with my day 10 COVID test. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the step by step guide. So in this video, I'll show you how to register on the Switch Health app. You open the portal and you click on airport and border crossing. Once you do that, you click on the create account, and then it asks for your basic details like your first name, your last name, your email ID, and then you have to again confirm your email ID. Make sure that you cross check all your details and especially your email ID, because this is the email ID in which you will get an immediate notification that you have registered with Switch Health. And also your test results would be given in this particular email ID. It is very important that you cross check again your email ID before putting it in, because you'll get all the notifications once you reach in Canada, also the local provincial notifications and important phone numbers on this email ID. Once you fill that, you cross check it again, and then you click on next. Then it asks you for a secret question. These are all the options available here, and you have to give a secret answer for that, and you have to put in your password. Make sure that you remember your password, and you verify the details and you click next. Once you click next, it again asks you for your basic details, your date of birth, your sex, male or female, and your phone number. Now here, I would recommend you strongly to put a Canadian phone number, but just in case if you do not have one, you can put your Indian number as well. Once you put that, you click on next. Then it asks you for your address. You need to put your 11-day quarantine address here. So you just have to search in the search bar. You have to start putting your address. For example, like how I'm putting mine, you just have to put, like for example, 100 traders, and it automatically pops up for you. So you click on that and it automatically fills it up for you. You verify and cross check again all the details that it's your correct address, and you proceed. You click on next. Now once you click on next, it takes you to the terms and conditions. Terms and conditions, of course, both are given in English and French. If you want, you can go through, have a read. You accept the terms and the conditions, and then you have to click on register. Now, once you click on register, it pops up that the registration is complete, and it also pops up your name on the top, like how mine is showing patient Gaurav Sharma has successfully created, and you will get an immediate notification on your email ID that you have been registered. So I hope this step-by-step guide helps you to register on the Switch Health. And also apart from that, I'll be leaving all the links down below. The link to reach to Switch Health portal. And also if you have got a lost or a damaged test kit, I will be leaving the email ID below for that. If you want to know anything regarding your results, I will be leaving an email ID regarding that also down below. And also if you want to reach out to the Switch Health personals, I will be mentioning both the numbers down below if you want to call, if you want to contact them regarding anything once you land here in Canada. Thank you so much for your love and support. It literally means a lot to me. And stay tuned, guys. I will be coming back soon with another video.